Hey y'all, it's me, Miss A from Star Academic Coaching. I am here with a Summer Learning Boost announcement. Now, parents have been asking me what kind of summer enrichment workbooks that I recommend they purchase for their children during the summer because they're going to be traveling a lot and they're not going to be able to log on this summer for our Summer Learning Boost sessions. Well, guess what, y'all? Look no further. You do not have to go to your local store or order for Amazon a 100, 200-page workbook that's kind of overwhelming for students. I am going to be creating personalized Star Summer binders. Here's how it works. We'll do a quick virtual assessment, so your student will log on with me online, and I will do an end-of-year assessment because I kind of want to see, where they are at this point. What have they mastered? What do they remember from this current grade level? And then I'm going to create a personalized lesson plan for your child. So just imagine this, only 20 minutes a day for maybe 10 days, 20 days, or 30 days this summer. We'll work together to personalize what you would like. But it's a personal plan for your child's needs and the goals that you have. It'll be self-paced. They can take their summer binder with them wherever they go, and it won't be overwhelming. I am so excited about this course offering, y'all. If you want some more information, go ahead and give me a call or send us a message at my website, and we look forward to getting your child scheduled for an end-of-year assessment. And remember, keep shining.